Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Time is not more for orphan constituencies. Kofi, before I make orphan constituencies, my mema a brief background of Ghana. Your problem you want to see here, and now finance minister ko ready budget me boy. Budget ko ready here. Kofi
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Total revenue a buy expected say obey generate 176 billion. Total expenditure a buy epese or say sika buy epese or say 259 billion. And you first have two figures where budget deficits alone 82 billion Ghana cedis. 82 billion Ghana cedis. IMF can you $3 billion. $600 million number. Second tranche you can see accounts in same. Almost all face can name because first one on the buy no omu hundi omu de na mamen ko baby awunya ye pa wa ye dwumani a wo Ghana wa ye contractor wo Ghana tie ha say ye hwe ye obi a friend critical expenditure and as a mandatory expenditure and aban uchumu ten e was say we say expenditure no. It includes compensation of employees, it includes interest payment, it includes amortization, it includes grants. It includes why you for a GRA for Akitometri na unim se gofi says Kenny na no kabuma and no quite 187 billion. These are mandatory payment and no de or shese abanitua na gofi okay 187 billion na mabono. Now what the total abani total revenue generation 176 billion na gofi aseche di na ne say I was say aban ebo bosia 11.5 billion Ghana cedis and send our bank poker as say salaries. Next year salaries are year. Omo ye adwuma ma buy ye twa omo ka no. Papers e be todia ye adwuma e government institutions no. Papers, pens, any sanwume na no. Kofi e was see ekobo bosia and send ya kwa akoye sanwume ni na. It says keni na asudie ewo ho ena MPP parliamentary primacy kohwe ade esi ho ena no mo che fridges e bit bi twa ye twa 4,000 per delegate.
I have one just
Omo I will give you the names. I'm coming. What the enfa the menua MFC representative no the 400 cedis per delegate omu twa na no ono kwa do ka yi ho ade your friend is Dr. Mamu Baumia de nkwa no kai fa eye kene Japan so dia ono so twa 300 cedis per delegate na ka say skin na bom e won hia kwase e be ko IMF sika no e wo krom ha e hihye bi mu paase egugu ebi mu poly tank mu omo mpese omo di sika no e be hye mpuntu dwumam and now you cause sisi da pam paase $1 million over $8 million in ye ko hu wo Kofi Bas branding na Jomama time ye kan wan asem no Bas branding na skin $1 million so Bas branding na skin $1 million eni pokwa na ye hu Bas no ye di mpanyin for pictures abobobobo ho Ghana for say omonti as MPP for omonti as say yakoto Bases a branding $1 million. And one man no Jomama too far.
87.9 Kumasi.
They made them refund those monies because Ghanaians were agitating. And there's $1 million no. Cecilia Dapa at the house help. Ako your friend is saying a court of competence judge say the house to pay $1 million. And your $1 million go 300,000 pounds so count. I said I see this account. That is the level of corruption that you will see here. Now, can you say, then Akufo you do some pempesway? How did we get here? Say, and there, obi oye delegate or go to aba. Ebi mutimi jina TV so. E jina camera ni mi ka say one fa sika mamia. Men to aba ma woda. Ya man your phone we see esuan bibi wa ha say. Ye di omo hwamo. Because social boss said there one another dan Akufo-Addo. Edi share Ghana for abla no ba be your mampani or say $1 million per constituency or say edwuma be bu Ghana kopem say the omekwa go fan go for kwafia ma no ne aba be edwuma o man mu ase sabo she we no mo share ye omo say edwuma be bu Ghana am edwuma no bi anya edwuma ye Kopem say agyesie kokra nkofo kura fi amano ne ebeye adwuma ne bi boaye.
Akoma FM 87.9.
After all these promises, unemployment rate 15% Kofi. After all these promises, World Bank say 850,000 Ghanaians has been pushed down to the poverty line. Nana do ba be mu na sa report ni ho. Nana do ni Dr. Mamu Baumia any MPP ba be mu na such a report anywhere. But after 7 years, you see, omo no mo di omo ho. Omo no mo ye adwuma ye. Omo na nkasa timi to ekoba no. You see sankofo ni na ne. Omo ntimi nto 850,000 Ghanaians mi nua be ma. Entenya amanyo se mi nua ba betena keke ne eka. E your money dachi. Omani mpuntuo say ye ma ye nananum ensusu betimi aka say ampa omampani kufo bai no ye say omampani jomama bai no ye say omampani nanadoda gokufo do bai no ye say eno nkomo na edi na no pay ene nanadoda Akufo-Addo ye ka keta hihye dream di chrono kankan a odi mutintima pay. I just cited an example of a bus branding na jomama 2-1 amon. Look at the corrupt activities AC under Nana Akufo-Addo. Share the office of the special prosecutor, Kofi. Nana see office of the special prosecutor, ya friend Kofomi nu. First one na Martin Lamisi Amidu. Papa ni ejuma kodu baby or see debi or say mi jai. Because ye ka obia or ye kata she dream die ni na maame a. And another than Akufo-Addo. Because yes or kunketa she dream dia. Nanado na they say you so on one system, not intimidating no. And to a man Nanado Dimbi say he is a serpent mother of corruption. And to a day you man at war. And the kofa honorable Kisi Age have been by Esquire. Can no press conference or yeah. Or see Ankra no mammy them who about for dear. Or be ye you bet me aye. Because the system is fighting him for fighting corruption. Sisi ananado dan Akufo-Addo gofi. So you wa adwen se obeka se tia keta se dream dia. Na system na fight. And these are two examples that I am giving to your listeners this morning. And you can see a tutu sanyo ya say Dr. Baumia have no moral rights. Dr. Baumia has no religious rights. Dr. Baumia has no integrity right. Same pokro obe jina simpi so aka se Ghana ni bi nto abama no. Me ka bibia. Dr. Baumia, you don't deserve to lead this country. Because we now cast out the mobile money interoperability by meboa. And the Ghana ka also waji afa. Me want to Ghana ka do wuni mu baby free ba ye. O man penyu kufo ne kofa ba ye. When we Mama buy now they contracting be my margins ID system. Me no ka se margins ID system for and a printed card no. Osi enjama. Osi enjama because you have nothing to your name. All what you have to your name is higher food inflation. Kofi de bia make food inflation once because eduani ya de bia say wo ye bema and now we nipa na se sebi mpleduasa. Untimi to eduani ndia.
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi.
Joma me fi abemu na food inflation 9.79. Single digit food inflation. I must see Joma my vice president, you know, single digit 3% enjoying. Oh, is not a vice president, not head of the economic management team, you know, Sana Moka, even though he was the head of the economic management team. But when the nation was handed over to John Dramani Mahama Kofi, he bequeathed to MPP a single digit food inflation of 9.7%. The records are there. And the NBC was a food inflation, I'm saying. It's me koya to almost 60%. Then 59.7%. Now food inflation, I was shooting general inflation.
Yeah.
And then and there, obi person or tuaba, MP, obi person or tuaba, parliamentary candidate, obi person or tuaba yo mampenya, or person or jinisika, because who say, Sa Boshana ye show mono, Boshana sebi, a woman, or Musa Boshana, a would rather say. Kofi bet nefi dis was sebio. Yasha tai kama yasha tadie no enye se bi enum na ekekaye ba se ne be ya Ghana mpuntu ne be koso se ne be ya eniema e be koso yie ena no enti kroma na omo de onua TV omo de they want to take onua TV yes, off air, because they are telling Ghanaians the truth. Now Ghana and say, when did we get here? Say a radio station and a TV station, expose you a buy now. See, there will be 2 minutes. Say one share will take you off air. Radio go there to Yankasa. Another FM station back could be quite a say pure FM say and also Yankasa, and they don't do media general. That is how wicked, that is how autocratic Nana Danko Akufo-Addo's government is. Kofi, I am passionate this morning because Daya Abeya 4 days in the Mesosono. Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia MPP, they don't mean well for this country. They want to destroy the Fourth Republic. Fourth Republic now, John Rawls is DJ, no, Muguno. But ye Jine so I catch you, say it is not going to work. It is not going to work because our forefathers have told. Okay. And there's also Ghana. And can put to our sea and Yebini. Osha Asantima, Ashanti Regional. Anka Angagajansi interchange. Anka Bana Anka Sewoho. Anka Swami interchange. Anka Bana was Sewoho. Anka Sofola, your friend is a Bequa interchange. Kabana was say, Eban is saying 7 years near Yatu Yaba MPP, sir. And then I'm put to Juma the boy to say Joshua Babu Akon. Coffee medium anusino. Your best say one or more tuaba. Said January 7, 2024. John Mama say, baby, Ebubroko Shia. Or Bema or Didi or kind in ananum. Coffee, Obeka John Mama Fra Bemu. Osha fans or German and Ado Danko Akufo-Addo. Okay, DBFN sinking fund. Sinking fund ni sike bia Joma Majatu ho say all banno who say o man penin dada Akufo Eurobond first Eurobond the eji ye o man penin dada Akufo eji Eurobond no odi empuntu dwuma but now am fan sike bia nto say sa sika no ebetwia sa abosia no ye ba ya na Joma ma ete sinking fund say yan didi nto anketenketen tum say be a sinking fund no ebetimi etwia Eurobond no yan mu ba ye Unimize go vie o ma kwa akoko lecture sinking fund aje ho bosia say 20 years time eni yentwia money ben kwa na de na nado money ben kwa na de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na nka obi a wo free Bank of Ghana eba anka we deputy governor anka wo de wanya de mpokra no bebia wo free banka ma honya profitability anka ma o enya mfaso enne Abai state-owned enterprises in a friend SOEs are making losses, including Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is coming from there. But me the news ni meda Alan Kujo Chamatiase. Say why endorsing the 24-hour economic policy.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Bawumia can say when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Sa brofo no kan nkofo antiase. Me community me na me bi so almost say fundamentals no den na video bi ehwemenim. Since the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate would expose you. The fundamentals are productivity. The fundamentals are industrialization. My mama, typical example. So who importing your friend is a cichiri. Now say cichiri, you are spending almost about $200 million every year to import sugar. That's what me see Commander Sugar Factory buy for. What you are doing is that one, you are industrializing sugar factory in Ghana.
Akoma FM
2, you are producing sugar in Ghana, and that is productivity. 3, you are solving the exchange rate because you don't need to change $200 million to go and import sugar. So when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. And the solution is 24-hour economic policy. Commander Sugar Factory, we can run a 3-hour working shift, 8-hour working shift every day. Because machines in the moment nipa na bere the handsome machine they was service no maybe also the oil go now they go fuel also the man now the man now one man break kakra 1 hour be na machine agina home but nipa ye adwuma na bere anytime your mama so what dey ba Commander Sugar Factory ye be ye adwuma 24 hours first shift beba second shift beba third shift beba that is industrialization, that is productivity, that is creating employment for the Ghanaian youth, not the NAPCO kind of employment. NAPCO for mudi omu win election we na mudi omu ti ensensemu. You neglected these people. I know people who voted for Nana Danko Akufo-Addo because of NAPCO. Nanadu twa ne second term we ya Nanadu di ne timu adin papa on dwene Ghana for back who say
okay
Nebuchadnezzar president any woman who say
Fuga, my main phone say. Asante, my main
Akoma FM.